Hello guys, welcome you back to my English class. So now we're gonna review English vocabulary of Unit 6. Cô trò chúng ta sẽ cùng nhau ôn tập lại từ vựng ở Unit 6 nha. Community, community, community. I promise I will develop our community. Community service, community service. He joined many community services to help other people. Police station, police station. His father works in a police station. Police station.
Police station. His father. Post office.
Post office. Post office. Post office. There is a post office near my house.
There is a post office near my house.
Library. 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 I often go to the library twice a week.
Library. I often.
Hotel. 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 The hotel is very luxury, but expensive. The hotel is very luxury, but expensive.
Hotel. The hotel is very luxury but expensive. Hospital. I was sick, so I went to the hospital yesterday.
Hospital. Hospital. I was sick, so I went to the hospital yesterday. I was sick, so I went to the hospital yesterday. Bus station, bus station. I can catch the bus. You can catch the bus number 1 at the nearest bus station. Bus station.
Bus station. You can catch the bus number 1 at nearest bus station.
Mall, mall.
Mall. There is a big mall over there. We can go there now.
Train station.
Train station.
Train station.
He is waiting his mother at the train station.
He is waiting for his mother at the train station. Public service. Public service. There are many public services near my house.
Public service. There are many public services near my house.
Community. Community service. Police station. Post office. Hotel. Hospital. Bus station. Library. Mall. Train station. That's all for today. Bye bye guys.